Winter Wonderland debuts in Chicago. Children and adults alike enjoyed the first snow of the season. 2 to 3 inches fell in most of the area, but some parts received 8 inches. Chicago normally gets a load of snow, but last year it was especially high, 54 inches. A few more inches are expected, but more than 300 snowplows are ready for anything. Back here at home, if you drive through Malibu Canyon, prepare for more delays next week. After a brief break, road work in the canyon is set to resume on Monday. Workers will be installing markers and reflectors. This last phase of the canyon construction project will last for 4 days. Drivers may experience delays of up to 30 minutes, as only one lane will be open at times. The project was supposed to be completed 2 months ago. It was started by the Las Virgenes Municipal Water District last April.